first thing we're going to look at here is to make sure your overflow in your toilet is not set too high. You can see the water in this one is set too high. So what that's going to do is your water is going to constantly run into the toilet bowl, and that's going to cost you a lot of money. So you can see here, I'll push it down. So if this thing were to climb any higher, it's just going to constantly run, and that's water going down your drain, which might as well be money going down your drain. So what you want to do is adjust these fill valves, and they all have set screws something like this. Next, make sure you know where your water main is and how to shut it off. If there's ever an emergency, you're going to want to find your water main. So this handle here is going to shut water off to the building. Make sure you know that. Lastly, in this video, make sure you know where your shut off for your outside taps are. And if you have a tap like this, a gate style, try and get it switched out to a ball valve style. Ball valve styles tend to work a lot better